What is going on, everyone? It is me, Bullish Investor, again, back with another daily market update. Today is July 14th, 2022, actually my birthday, so type in the chat, happy birthday, Bullish Investor. Today on the cryptos, we got $924 billion total market cap and $69 billion today total volume, which is actually pretty good. Down a little bit from yesterday, but nothing crazy. Everything today is actually not doing too bad. Bitcoin is up 1.2% on the hour, 2% on the day. Ethereum's up 2% on the hour, 9% on the day. Not doing too bad right now. Actually, I kind of wish I bought a little bit of Ethereum maybe a week ago. Not too bad right now. Everything's actually doing pretty well. XRP is actually up 7% today. Cardano's up to 2%. Solana's up 7%. Even Dogecoin is up. Everything's actually doing pretty well right now. If you go to the top gainers of the 24 hours, we got Aave up 17%. Quant still killing it. I made a TikTok about this coin 2 days ago. So if you did any investing in Quant, you were up 17% today. So congratulations. Quant's doing very well. Uniswap is also doing very well. Compound doing well. Seek VR, I've been seeing this one actually pop off recently. It's at 15% gain just today. Arweave doing very good. Polygon is doing very well, as we talked about in the last video. If you didn't see my last video, go check it out. There'll be a card linked right up here. Go check that out. Polygon is doing very well. I actually have some news I'll talk about later in the video. I talked about it yesterday too, but just covering it and why it's actually pumping. Yeah, actually market's not looking too bad right now. Even Cosmos is up 10%. I do like what I am seeing right now. So let's get into the news, guys. Crypto fear and greed index. We're at extreme fear, of course. Like I said, we're going to be at extreme fear for quite some time. We're at 15 points. Yesterday we were at 18. Last week we were at 20. Last month we were at 7. So we were actually down from what we were from the past week. Even though the crypto market is seeing somewhat of a slight recovery, very slight recovery, we are actually lower on the fear and greed index, which is not great on here, but I do think crypto is going to go down at least a little bit more than what it's at right now. I don't really know why it's doing so well as it is right now, because I do believe another drop is coming. It will be probably the last drop before we see some good gains. If we go to crypto bubbles on the day, everything is doing very well. Again, I love seeing all green like this. Look at Quant up 22%, Compound up 16%. Look at this. It looks beautiful when you see this. If we go to the week, we are still down quite a bit on everything here except for Matic and Quant, of course. Quant is just killing it, up 114% on the month. It's up 5% in the past hour, guys. I'm telling you, this is going to be something big. I'm not saying buy now. This is not financial advice, but it is doing very well right now. I'm very happy to see what Quant is doing. So let's get into the news here. So on to some bad news today. Starting off, Celo grinds to a halt. Validators working to restart the network. So Celo actually went down today. If you don't know what Celo is, it is a payment infrastructure platform aiming to make a decentralized finance products available on mobile devices. I've actually seen ads for them quite a bit. They've actually they had like some giveaway for some money if you downloaded their app and whatever. Download the app, got like a few Celo coins, and sold them immediately. Probably a good thing actually, because right now it's not looking too good. Apparently the Celo blockchain was down for more than 13 hours. So making a payment infrastructure platform on mobile devices and also having a blockchain that goes down for 13 hours at a time is not sustainable at all. It's not looking good. Validators are working to restart the network. So it looks like they're trying to revive it as of right now. So they were unable to process transactions for over 13 hours. That is bad news. Imagine trying to use Celo as a network and trying to send money, use it as a payment infrastructure, and not being able to actually do any transactions on the network for 13 hours. Over 13 hours. Bad stuff to hear. They did say though all their funds are secure, so this is not like a Voyager or Celsius situation where they're going bankrupt. They're just having some outage issues. They did say all their funds are secure. This is not like a Celsius or Voyager issue where they're going bankrupt. This is not what's happening with Celo. They're just suffering a network outage. That it is down for quite some time, which is very bad for anybody who ends up using Celo as a payment infrastructure platform. You are safe though. Your funds should all be secure. There's nothing at risk with your funds being lost. It is just the network going down, suffering an outage. There is some bad news here going on with Celsius. If you guys haven't heard what's going on with Celsius, they actually declared bankruptcy. So Celsius customer responds to firm bankruptcy. This is going to get pretty dark, so if you want to skip this video, you can skip it. Or skip to the later after this article. Celsius claims bankruptcy was the right decision for the company, many with funds trapped on the platform. that aren't convinced. So basically, if you invested in Celsius or had any crypto on Celsius or lending it or staking it or whatever, I had no crypto on there, so I'm not even sure what Celsius does 100%. I think you could just earn passive income on your crypto. I think right now anybody that holds crypto on Celsius has it stuck on there, and they are not going to be able to get it off at all because the company is filing for bankruptcy. So one customer on here, actually, I highlighted some big key points that this one of the Celsius customers pointed out here. So Celsius became one of the several crypto lenders to freeze customer withdrawals as the market tanked in June, leading to the industry-wide meltdown that was accelerated by other factors such as the collapse of the Terra ecosystem, which was a huge ordeal. A ton of people lost a bunch of money in Terra. I somehow profited from the whole ordeal. I'm not going to get into the whole thing. If you guys are curious about it, you can ask me in the comments and I'll make a dedicated video to that. And contagion from the insolvent crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital. So that there was a bunch of issues going on with a bunch of crypto companies actually freezing withdrawals because they were going bankrupt. So here's what the customer said. This is exactly from what he said in his tweet. He said, "I had all of my savings. I have been building for 20 years in Celsius." So he's been putting all of his money straight into Celsius to try and compound it. I would think if Celsius is safe, I would think that's a good decision. If Celsius actually stayed good and didn't go bankrupt, I think this would have been a very smart decision. He says, "I don't know what to do. I have my second child on the way and a mortgage to pay for, ... My wife has no idea. I am so scared on what to do. I am thinking of just ending it." Please don't, my guy. Bro, please don't. It'd be much easier than suffering through a major loss. My whole life gone. I don't know where to go or what to do. So very, very, very bad news to hear. I hate hearing about this. Someone who uses what they think is a trustworthy crypto platform. We could think any crypto platform is trustworthy. We can think Coinbase is trustworthy. Yet what if Coinbase went bankrupt, right? High chance it won't, but you never know. Nowadays, anything could happen. 20 years of savings in crypto gone, vanished like that just because the company went bankrupt. So most account activity was paused until further notice. Withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts will remain paused, and rewards will stop occurring as of the date of the filing. So Celsius is not requesting authority to allow customers to withdraw at this time. So if you have any crypto on Celsius, it is basically lost forever. You're not going to get it off the platform. Any money you have on there is stuck. You can't withdraw it. You can't make any money on it. It's basically just vanished. I think so. I don't think many people are going to be able to get their money out of here. If they have the withdrawals suspended and they're filing for bankruptcy, I don't believe you're going to get your money off of the platform. If you do, though, I hope you do. I really, really hope you do. It's bad to hear this. I hate hearing that people have 20 years of life savings in crypto in a crypto holding app like this, just for it to go bankrupt and they lose all their money. It wasn't even their fault. It was just the Celsius. This is Celsius' fault. So on to some better news. I talked about this in last video, actually. Matic sees a huge bullish boost after Disney selected Polygon for its 2022 accelerator program. So if you saw my yesterday's video where I talked about why Matic was pumping, it actually is still pumping today. It's up 13% today. On the week, it won't show it right here, but on the week, I think it's up 64% or something crazy. 60% gain in a week or something ridiculous, right? So basically, this surge was fueled by Disney accepting Polygon or Matic for their 2022 accelerator program. Basically, Disney is using Polygon to build NFTs, AI, and augmented reality, which is going to be crazy. I think this is very, very bullish, not just for Disney, but for Matic too. I think the Disney stock could do very well because of this, and I think Polygon is going to continue to do very, very good. I think seeing a 71-cent Polygon right now is an absolute steal. I'm not saying to buy Polygon, please. I'm never saying anything to just buy this. Is not financial advice. Please, if you put your money into anything, you did your own research. That is on you, okay? It's not on me. I'm just here to inform you about what my opinions are on a non-biased base. But I think Polygon right now is a very, very, very good investment. I currently am not buying any more Polygon than what I already have. I think another crash is coming, so that is why I'm waiting to buy all of these coins. When that crash comes, you will know about it and you will probably see it. I'm just waiting for it to happen. Right now, I think this is just kind of a panic pump, a flash pump for not really any reason. I do think another crash is coming. Just saying, this could be the start of the bull run. Who knows, right? I have no idea. I'm just a guy sitting in my room making crypto videos, okay? On to the next piece of news. Investors lose their life savings in Celsius. This is another Celsius one right here. Lose life savings in Celsius as it goes bankrupt, while the Celsius token loses 85% of its value. So even if you didn't have any money in Celsius, but you held the Celsius token, you lost 85% of your money that you had invested in the Celsius token. which is already terrible. So everything associated with Celsius is basically down right now, which is actually, I saw something very strange right before I started recording this video. Do you see this right here? Trending. Celsius is up 60%. Do you guys see this? You guys see what I'm seeing? 61% gain on Celsius, but it went bankrupt. Can someone explain that to me? You can see the huge crash here when it went down to what was that? 45 cents? Right now it's at 75 cents. So it did basically do a double, almost 100% gain from where it was at down here to where it is right now. I do believe this is not going to recover at all because they're filing for bankruptcy. I don't really know why it's up 74% today. I just saw that actually as I press record on this video. I just thought that was pretty weird, even though they're filing for bankruptcy, and it says the coin is down 85% since the start of 2022. So yet again, like I said in the other article, investors in troubled cryptocurrency lending from firm Celsius continue to incur losses after the company filed for bankruptcy just weeks after freezing customer withdrawals. So I remember hearing about Celsius freezing customer withdrawals, and everyone is super panicking, and they're like, oh, we'll get our money out eventually, it's okay. And then they filed for bankruptcy. Unfortunately, my guy, you're not getting your money out of Celsius. Is terrible news. You can see the market cap here actually on this picture plummeted from 85% in 2022. So Celsius market capitalization has plunged by 85.84% in 2022, falling from a market worth of $1.06 billion on January 1st to $0.15 billion on July 14th. That is a massive, massive loss in market capitalization for Celsius. That is very, very, very bad news to see. We've seen a lot of coins like this die. Terra Luna. Okay, Terra Luna, or what is it, LUNC now? LUNC. Luna has not been doing very well at all right now. Big red flag as soon as you even open it. And if we go to year to date, yeah. This has been like probably the worst loss I've seen in a long time on any cryptocurrency. I remember I scrolled through Reddit on this day, Reddit and Twitter, and everybody was telling me how much money they lost. People were saying I put 100 grand in, I put millions in, and basically it's all gone now. I somehow did profit from this whole ordeal. I think there was some glitch on Newton, which is one of the crypto apps I use to buy crypto in Canada. I can just tell you now, I bought some crypto, or I bought $25 worth of it. And then overnight it was there. They froze the crypto on Newton, so they actually froze it. For some reason, it flash pumped overnight and went up like 18,000%, making me $3 grand overnight somehow. No idea how it worked. I think it was some glitch in Newton, but I obviously immediately sold and it crashed the day after. So I think I just got very lucky with this. I do have my condolences out there to everyone who lost a lot of money in here. Basically, I had a few $100 in here anyway, which is all gone. I feel bad for the people who had thousands and hundreds of thousands, tens of as much money as they had in here. I know people who have had their life savings in here and now it's all gone. Tragic stuff here. I really hope this doesn't keep happening. It happened with Terra Luna, happened with Celsius. Companies like Celsius, Voyager, they're all going bankrupt. It's not good right now where we're seeing in the markets. If crypto does start recovering, we're going to see these businesses start to revive, money starting to flow back in. We're going to see liquidity in these platforms start to rise. The coin prices are going to start to rise. Everyone's going to start making more money. NFTs are going to start doing much better. So it's going to be a good time once the bull run is back. And right before I close the video out, we can take a look at the quick 24-hour NFT volume right now. Everything is down quite a lot except for Terraforms. Never heard about this in my life, but it's up 2,000% just today. NFTs are crazy, man. I mean, they're worth as much as someone else is willing to pay for it. So it could be worth nothing one day and it could be worth a ton of money the next day, right? Ethereum NFT transactions are down 17%. Solana is down 16%. BNB is down 54%. Flow, which I've actually never heard of Flow for NFTs, up 82%. Panini up 95%. Palm, never heard of that one either, up 109%. Transactions are very small in every single platform here. Only 30,000 transactions on Ethereum. Do you know how small that is? In the future, this is going to be millions, maybe even billions. I have no idea. I do have faith that NFTs are going to have a huge utility and big use case in the future. I think right now just silly pictures online is not what NFTs are designed to be. I think they are designed to be big utility tools in the future, which I think will happen eventually once big corporations start to make NFTs. I heard Nickelodeon's going to be making NFTs. Disney's going to be making NFTs. I think Nike was going to make NFTs or something. So it's going to start getting crazy when big corporations start incorporating cryptocurrency and blockchain technology into their companies, and NFTs start being used a lot more, and there'll start to be a big utility use case for NFTs from big corporations. So that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoy any content I post on this page, please like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to get started investing in anything in cryptocurrency, anything crypto stock related, go check the links in my bio where you can get started. You can get some free stocks, you can get free crypto, free money if you invest. I even have a crypto trading group down there if you want to join that. They trade crypto futures, they have NFT trading, they have spot trading, they have everything there. So if you want to go check that out, everything is in the description, guys. If you want to follow me, go follow me on my social medias. We're hard to find it right over there. You see it. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, go follow me. Links are in the description, guys. You guys all have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.